I've only had this not even a month. This is my 4th time using it. Still doesn't spin. It worked 2 times and now it doesn't work again. Okay, this is what's inside. Once I opened the lid, it has some instructions in here. Some kind of extra. Oops, sorry. I'm looking at it, not looking at the camera. This is, I'll have to cut that off. Some kind of extra attachment, a hose. Okay, so it does look new. That looks to be the filter inside. See if I can get down in there, you can see it. Some type of filter. It does look like it's just styrofoam in here. So maybe it hasn't been used. Maybe they just tested it out. This is holding this hose on the side. So sorry. This is holding this on the side. Okay, so we're gonna give it a whirl and see what happens.
Look at this. All the water.
Works great.